Brian, tell me a little bit about what's going on here today.
Well, we built this little jig to slide down in our gate pockets. So we had these pre-drilled holes so it'd be all lined up. And pretty much you just stick it down in there. And it's a whole lot more accurate and quicker. There ain't no guessing where to drill the hole. And for mass producing, it's a whole lot faster.
How'd you come up with the idea?
A lot of years of drilling with my hand. I just thought it up and we made it.
What was one of the problems that you were having before you had this thing?
The holes were not lining up correct, and stuff come up and let the material get in between the gate pocket and the post.
And what happens now that you got this gizmo?
It keeps all the material coming out the bottom where it don't get in between it, and the holes are perfectly lined up.
How do you like it?
Love it.
Is it faster or slower?
A whole lot faster.
How come?
It ain't no guessing game. You know where the holes are.
Pretty cool. Thanks, Brian.
All right. Well, we had it where we can do our private label, which has 6 holes in it, or we can do our standard privacy, which has 8 holes. It has the vents, so it won't have no suction.
Okay.
And it keeps, this right here keeps it from collapsing in, causing the rail not to go in the gate pocket.
Hi, my name is Marvin Wade. I'm a truck driver with Southern Vinyl Manufacturing. More than likely, some of you have probably seen me at your location in the past and hopefully will in the future. On occasion, when I don't have anything to deliver, I help out here in the shop in the production stages. A lot of times I help out in the gate building process. What we have here is ones I just worked on yesterday. Up until yesterday, whenever we drilled out the gate pockets in the uprights, it was a kind of a manual process as to where to align your holes. A lot of times the holes will not be in sync, not present the most aesthetic look. But what we have here is an item that one of our employees, Brian Moore, came up with in his thought. Had this thing designed for us. And originally we called it the Moore plug, but Brian has been nicknamed SuperB here due to its performance, and so we have minimized this and called it the SuperB plug. It actually helps out in building the gate pockets. It actually sets down into the gate pocket. You use the drill in whichever holes conform to the gate pocket style that you're designing or that you're actually using. I worked on some gate uprights about 2 weeks ago before we actually got this item, and compared to yesterday, I feel like I actually, even though I didn't have a stopwatch, I feel like I probably did it in half the time. And once you remove the item and you look at the gate pockets, you have a much more uniform placement of the rivets. And if you were to actually put these 20 posts side by side, you could pull a line on these rivets and it would be a straight line. To me, it presents a much more perfection look, and we're just very pleased with how it's turned out.